In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to remix a song with Producer AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Producer AI like you usually would. Then from here you should bring something like this. Once you're in here, you'll need to go over to the menu and click on songs and then find the specific song that you want to remix. Once you've found it, you'll need to go over to these three dots over here and then click remix over here, and then you can either select variation, cover, extend, or replace. You can also down here start a session to make something that is similar to this song. From here you can click a variation, and once you've done that, Producer AI will start generating a variation of the specific song or remixing the song that you have chosen. Once it's done generating, you can hear it and see if it's something like you, or you can go down to Ask Producer and write in the prompts that you want rather than this specific thing. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!